Good morning, my friends. It's Sunday morning and I might have food in my braces because I'm in the middle of eating. So I'm not gonna smile or anything, but I am doing a video today. My whole apartment just looks a mess. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I am filming a video today because I've seen other people do it. What it takes to burn 1,000 calories for me specifically in one day. So right now, I'm eating. I'll probably go to the gym a little bit later. I'm just having some French toast and eggs and bacon. Watching some YouTube videos right now, watching some Jamie Foxx. She's a Canadian YouTuber. Have you guys done 75 hard? What are your thoughts on it? Is it doable? I feel like I'm too lazy for something like that. It is a little bit late in the day. However, I'm going to try and burn 1,000 calories in the next 2 hours. I really don't want it to take longer than 2 hours, but I don't want to be at the gym for longer than 2 hours. So I'm gonna start at home and work out a little bit here. I'm probably gonna work out in my apartment for like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna take some pre-workout and head to the gym and do my normal workout because I feel like I'll be able to hit 1,000 calories. But let's see. And then after, I'm going to like eat 1,000 calories. Okay, not the healthiest, but I don't care because it's Saturday night and this is why I don't have a six-pack. But let's go ahead and do it. I found a couple of workouts online that I want to try. It says burn 100 calories in 5 minutes. So if this is accurate and I actually burn 100 calories in 5 minutes, then I'm gonna do this same workout for the next 30 minutes. I highly doubt that I will burn 1,000 calories in 30 minutes. We'll check in.
I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that it's just stupid? Hey, just hear me.
Let's check and see how many calories that burned. Probably like 10. Literally, that only burned 48 calories. You cannot burn 100 calories in 5 minutes. I mean, maybe there is some way that you can do it, but I just don't see it being possible.
It's been a while since we were good, so why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time.
Okay, so that workout was literally a waste of time. I burned 27 calories, so 48 plus 27, 75. So I have 925 calories left to burn. I'm gonna keep it in the strength training category now. A little bit of cardio, we'll see. But cardio is probably what is gonna get me to burning more calories. I hope that you guys can hear me right now. I am at the gym and they're literally blasting the music. So I'm gonna put this in a time lapse so that I can listen to my music. I'm just gonna do my normal workout that I've been doing literally every other day for the last like 6 months. My arms hurt so bad, honestly. It's because I never really work out arms, and I did a little mini arm thing before this, and we're not done. I have to do booty now, and oh my god. Literally, I hope that I burn 1,000 calories in this workout. If I finish and I check and it's not at 1,000 calories, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe cry, but we'll see.
It's crazy how we started off so good. Every single hour with you vanished just like that. But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I
minutes. As you can see, 10, 30, 40. So, and then I'm gonna do 20 minutes on the treadmill. Pray to God that gets me where I need to be. Okay, let's do abs again.
It's been a while since we were good. So why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every time we spend time, I wanna do this for the last time. I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no. Don't need you here to feel alright. I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight, but you only make it worse whenever you're around. 'Cause I don't need it, no, I don't need it, no, don't need you.
I am really annoyed by how loud they're playing this music. Like, it doesn't need to be this loud. It's literally blasting. I only burned 550 calories. Okay, I have about 200 calories approximately left to burn, according to this. Now, this is not 100% accurate. I hope that it's pretty close. I honestly hope that it's less than what my heart rate monitor is gonna say, but we'll see. My phone is literally at 3%, and I checked the heart rate monitor app. It literally said I only burned 3 calories. There is absolutely no way that that's possible. I did this for 30 minutes. There's no way. There's no way. So I'm gonna go based off of what it said on here, and I ended at 240, so I have 135 calories left to burn. I'm just gonna do it on here, and I'm gonna try and run it this time and see if it calculates different, but hopefully my phone doesn't die. I have a couple of questions within doing this yesterday. Today's the day after burning 1,000 calories, and I don't even know if I necessarily burned 1,000 calories because my app said 3 calories, but I think I had it in maybe the wrong setting or something. I don't know. First of all, is it even healthy to be burning 1,000 calories a day? I feel like it's not, but I think it also depends. Like 7 to 10 years ago, when I was like super heavily involved in dance, I was training a lot, like a lot. Even before that, but I was doing dance and cheer. So like during those times, it's definitely, I think, a lot easier for somebody to lose 1,000 calories in a day. Right now, where I'm at in my life, I wouldn't say that that's a healthy way to go about losing weight. And I'm not trying to lose weight at all. I just really thought it would be an easy video to film, honestly, and I was wrong because I slept like 10 hours. I was exhausted, and I definitely binged on some pizza and cinnamon sticks like right after. So it was kind of pointless, but I still wanted to try it for this video. And if anybody's curious, I used a Polar heart rate monitor. I also have an article from Healthline linked down below that I found kind of interesting. It just really goes over the questions that I personally had, like, is it unhealthy? Is it safe? Like, you're just gonna like burn out really quick. You're gonna end up getting injured. Your body's just not gonna be happy. Also, you can lose muscle mass. So something that I didn't know is like if you do it in one go, like I did, you can lose muscle mass. I don't think that it's gonna be an issue for me since that's not something that I'm doing regularly. Like, it was literally just for this video. But I hope that this video wasn't too boring. I hope it was entertaining. I am still pretty new to working out. I need to buy a camera, but they're expensive and I got bills, you know? The thing is like while I'm working out, I also want to listen to music, and I feel like I can't work out if I'm not listening to music. It makes it 10 times harder. But if you guys are bothered by the, what are those called? The time lapses, just let me know and I will suck it up and suffer and work out without music for you. I'm just kidding, I won't suffer, but I definitely prefer to work out with music. But anyways, I'll see you guys hopefully probably next weekend. I think that I'm gonna switch my uploading schedule to the weekends because it's more chill for me. But I'll see you when I see you. Bye.
Nobody else,